Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about the climate change report on the Hindu Kush Karakoram ranges. So we will discuss about what this latest report is all about, how the climate change is affecting the fragile ecosystem of Himalayas and to an extension Hindu Kush and Karakoram ranges also. Why we are discussing it? Because we recently, you remember that there is a glacial outburst that happened in the Uttarakhand and Chamoli district. So in that regard, what are the various reasons? Some of the experts have says that the climate change is also one of the contributing factor. So in that regard, what we have to discuss over here is how the climate change report is highlighting the various effects on the Hindu Kush and Karakoram ranges. So let's start this video. So Hindu Kush Himalayan region, it is a region which spans over Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. So if you see over here, it is actually a huge region. Hindu Kush Himalaya region, if you look in this map, it actually comprises of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. So basically, essentially your Central Asia, Southeast Asia as well as your East Asia. So this is a huge range of mountains which is spanning over the uh, Southeast Asia as well as the East Asia. So these are the huge mountains ranges which are covering a major portion of the land. It is considered the third pole after the north and south poles and has significant implication for climate. So basically, apart from the Arctic and Antarctic, which is considered as the pole of India, or what is the ice ground or the glacial or the fridge of the world, the third pole is actually located in the Hindu Kush Himalayan region. So a lot of glaciers, lot of frigid zone is available, or that's why they have been given the name of third pole. So this is something you should remember. Geographically, you should remember which countries the Hindu Kush Himalayan actually expand to, and also the idea that this is because it is a third glacier, it has a huge impact. So when the climate change happens, it will be affected, and this is also one of the precursor to climate change. So this is a cause and effect relationship you should remember. Now let's just quickly see what are the finding of this reports are. So this report, which is the assessment of climate change over the Indian region, so that is the name of the report which has come out. So let's just quickly see what this report talks about. So several areas of Hindu Kush Karakoram Himalayas have experienced a declining trend in snowfall and also retreat of glacier in recent decades. So now this is something, again, this is happening world over, right? Even from the Greenland to the Antarctic Ocean, what is happening is that the glaciers are receding. So this is also seen in the Hindu Kush and Karakoram Himalayas, that they have the snowfall is declining as well as the glaciers are retreating. In contrast, the high elevation of Karakoram Himalayas have experienced higher winter snowfall that has shielded the region from glacier shrinkage. Now this is something which is known as the anomaly. So you will heard about the Hindu Kush anomaly or the Karakoram anomaly. What is happening over here is that the Karakoram, the high elevation of Karakoram, over here you are experiencing more winter snowfall, and that is kind of balancing out the whole region. So even in the lower elevation, the Karakoram and Hindu Kush are seeing the retreating of the glacier, but at the higher elevation the glaciers are expanding. So that's how they are counterbalancing, and overall this region glaciers are not going through the shrinkage. Where the Karakoram are located? So Karakorams are part of a complex mountain range at the center of Asia, including the Hindu Kush to the west. So basically, if your Karakoram range, what is lying in the west in the Hindu Kush? Hindu Kush. Then Pamir to the northwest. So Pamir North is over here. Then Kullan Mountains to the northeast. So over here you will have the Kullan Mountain. Then Himalayas to the southeast. So this is over here you will have the Himalayas. So this is the complex structure of mountains which is present in the Central Asia, and that I just told you that it expand in the Southeast Asia as well as East Asia too. and this is the one which is considered as the third pole, and it is very important for the climate change, or it will be the first one which will be affected by the climate change, and it could also trigger the problems related with the climate change. So this is something you should remember. This topic is important from your GS paper 3 perspective. Now, way back in 2017, UPSC did ask about the cryosphere. In the main examination, GS paper 1, they did talk about the cryosphere. So just remember, this place is also a cryosphere because mostly it is frigid most of the time. So this kind of information you could relate to when asked in the examination and quote these reports. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.